Check it. All right, what is up, guys? You are back for another video with Data Zero. This video is absolute insanity. We have a pop here in after hours. I'm going to give you guys some updates on the technicals, what we're looking at. If AMC breaks $8 to $12, it is absolutely over. But with the setup that we have in this after hours move, we could see AMC go absolutely flying here on Monday. Again, I caught this live in the after hours, so this video is kind of different. It is hyped up. You guys are, congratulations to all apes who made it to this point, guys. I told you that the pressure cooker was building. This is why I had to repeat everything over and over again and just drill it home that we're close. Drill it home that we're close. Drill it home that we're close. Guys, even if we take a little, even if we come all the way back down to $5, with the setup that we have, AMC could go absolutely flying on Monday. So next week is looking extremely good for a push to the upside. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and show you what is going on and price points to look for. Again, if we break $8 to $12, this thing's not coming back down. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go.
You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at SPY, also AMC and GME, our favorite meme stocks. We're going to be checking out the price action from this week. We're also looking at the price action from the day. Make sure you guys check out this Saturday and Sunday's update. I will be doing my weekly prediction and update, going over my last week's prediction and update, giving you guys the update on the candle prints, how accurate they were, and where we are at and where we are going. We did get a red day for SPY today, a green day for AMC, and a red day for GME. Let's check out my daily predictions and see how accurate they were. Let's go ahead and start with GME stock. GME stock.
So this is what I warned about in my last video update. Check out my last video update link below to see what's going on. So I did warn that if GME did not break this crucial level of support, we're going to see a major pull back to the downside to about $22.50, maybe even $22 even. Now, I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but this is what is looking like on the charts. I want to point out that price is far outside of the bands right now on GME, so we're definitely going to get a bounce from this level. This is, stocks do not just move down, they do not just move up, they have to move in waves. So we're going to get a rejection from this level and get a bounce to the upside, but that does not mean we could not see more downside. We need to break this major sloping resistance here marked in yellow. That needs to be breaking to make that move up to about $25, $30. I do think we're going to have a red day today, but when in doubt, zoom out. We're still using macro resistance.
So as you guys can see, I did predict a red day. I also predicted a bounce after that sharp drop down. That's exactly what we got. But I did say we could see more downside, and that's exactly what we happened. That's why you guys need to check out my morning predictions and updates, because I literally predict the whole day before it happens. And most of these predictions are highly accurate. Again, we got the bounce that I called for, and then we seen more downside back down to that 22.15 range that I did call out as support in that video. So you can see the GME prediction was highly accurate. Let's go ahead and check out SPY, and we did get the red candle that I did predict for GME. Let's go ahead and check out SPY.
So here is your daily update and prediction for SPY. All right, so SPY, you can see that the Bollinger Bands are constricting. Massive volatility is coming for SPY. I do think it's going to be a push to the downside. Let me explain why. So we can see on today that we also have a daily red candle, and I do predict that we are going to print a daily red candle. So on the daily time frame, the candle will be red, not.
And as you can see, we did get that daily red candle confirmation, and that is confirmed as a red candle on the daily time frame. So that prediction was accurate as well. Let's go ahead and check out AMC, which I did predict a
So
green
here is
day.
your daily update
Here are the
and prediction
receipts
for today. So the first thing I want to point out is AMC is back on the #1 most shorted stock list for all of the stock market. Over 1,053% cost to borrow. I'm predicting a green day for AMC, and here's.
And as you can see, a green day prediction for AMC stock, a green day prediction for AMC, and that's exactly what we got, a daily candle of green. Let's go ahead and check out what's going on for SPY, give you guys the prediction and updates on what I think is going to be happening next, and then make sure you check out this week's prediction and updates for the next week's possible price action. So we can see SPY possibly breaking to the downside of this pennant, which could produce a big sharp drop to the downside. If that 450 level does not hold for SPY, you're going to see SPY start to drop very, very rapidly. So if SPY does not hold 450, you're going to see a rapid drop for SPY to the downside. So be watching out for that 450 level to hold. And again, I sound like a broken record when it comes to this on the macro level. We do have multiple gap fills to the downside that will be filled for SPY. I'm expecting SPY to come back down to at least 444, retest that as support. If 444 does get broken as support and turns into resistance, you will see SPY make a sharp drop to the downside. And again, when this rug gets pulled on SPY, it is going to get pulled fast. This is what's called a liquidity rush. So basically what happens is they run the market up because large positions need liquidity to get out of the market. So what they're doing is exited their positions. And what we're going to see after this is a major crash and capitulation. Again, the thing that you need to look for is the higher high on SPY, or the second high on SPY. You can see that you have a top here, it is a high, and then you have a slightly lower high. So let's go ahead and zoom out on SPY and show you guys what I'm talking about with a slightly lower high. So you have this massive euphoria rally to the upside for SPY. Then you get this top. Then you get a pullback, and then you have this upward chop consolidation. And what we're going to do is make a slightly lower high at the 460 range. At the 460 range is the top that I am calling out. I did call out 455, 460 as the top of this rally for SPY, and this is exactly what I do see happening. So I do think we're going to see a major pullback and correction before we do see a bull rally. A lot of people think that we are going to go in a bull rally, but that's exactly what the complacency stage is for. We just need to cool off before the next bull rally. Again, you want to go the opposite of the herd. And that's why I give you guys this technical analysis and charts and fundamental analysis, because it helps you go opposite of the herd. Again, if we look at the market fear and greed is currently at 81. That is in extreme greed, letting everyone know that this is the time you should be scaling out of profitable positions. Again, you want to be extremely fearful when people are greedy, and you want to be extremely greedy when people are fearful. That way you buy the bottoms and sell the tops, not buying the tops and selling the bottoms. So this is exactly what I'm looking at for SPY, as a lot of people are starting to enter new positions, starting to FOMO in, and what they are actually doing is buying the top. We're about to see a major pullback and correction, and that's when I will be buying the bottom. Again, doing the opposite of the herd, opposite of most people, because most people lose money in the market. So you want to be the exception. You want to make money in the market. So this is what I'm looking at for SPY. Again, I know a lot of YouTubers are calling for a major bull rally on a SPY. They're saying that we're going into a new bull market, but that is not what I'm thinking. I think we're going to see a correction to about at least 400 in my personal opinion before we see a push to the upside. We might even break a lower low of 380, but I'm thinking we're going to go to at least 400 in my personal opinion for SPY before we see a push to the upside to all-time high. So that's what I'm looking at for SPY on the bigger and larger time frames. Make sure you check out this week's announcement and technical analysis and price predictions for what per candle I do predict SPY to have, and how accurate my predictions were for the weekly prediction. Again, we did see that downside that I was predicting in my weekly prediction for SPY GME, and we did see that upside for my weekly prediction that we were looking at for AMC. Let's go ahead and hop into GME stock, show you guys what's going on with GME, where I think GME is headed, and what I expect from GME stock here heading into the future. So you can see that GME stock is extremely overextended to the downside. We can see that we're outside of the Bollinger Bands. RSI is not yet oversold, so we could see a little bit more pullback before we see a push to the upside. Basically, we're retesting this falling wedge here marked in white, and trapped in between this support right here marked in yellow and this support here marked in white. So we're basically trapped in this range, and we are going to see a push to the upside, in my personal opinion, after we break out of this yellow sloping resistance. We need to break out of this yellow sloping resistance, this bigger falling wedge, before we can see that drive to the upside. Now we could come all the way back down. GME could come all the way back down to about $21. Again, I know you guys do not want to hear this, but GME could come all the way back down to $21 and still be extremely bullish. We keep using this macro sloping resistance as support, so I do think we're going to continue to consolidate underneath between $21 and $25 in that range before making that push up to $30. I was hoping we could get that push this week because GME has a beautiful gamma ramp set up. Each week, GME kind of has a gamma ramp set up, but this week, some weeks are better than others. This week was pretty good because we had calls past that $30 range. So we did have a nice amount of calls at that $30 range, and then we also had calls at 40 and 45 and 50 and even 55. So this would have been a good week for GME to push up. I am looking for a more bullish week for AMC and GME this next following week. I do think GME is about to go absolutely insane. We're seeing AMC starting to make a big pop here in after hours. We're seeing AMC starting to make a big run here in after hours. Let's go ahead and hop into AMC. We're seeing AMC go absolutely crazy here in after hours. We're seeing AMC going absolutely wild. Okay, this is getting exciting, guys. Okay, let's just keep calm. Let's keep calm, guys, because this is the week. This is the week that I thought this could potentially happen. I did think that this could happen either this week or next week. Next week is looking extremely bullish for AMC stock. I'm going to give you guys updates. Let's keep calm, okay? I'm sorry. I'm extremely hyped because I know what is coming. I'm extremely hyped because I know what is coming, and I was predicting a after-hours move or pre-market move, and this could potentially be it. So if we break that $6 level, guys, this could be it. If we break $6, this could be it, guys. So let's just be calm and see what's going on. I'm going to be giving you guys updates. Again, GME will run. GME will run with AMC. AMC's up 20% in after hours right now. AMC up 20% in after hours. Way outside of the Bollinger Bands. We're outside of the Bollinger Bands, so I do expect pullback. But if this thing breaks $6, it's going to go flying. It's going to go flying. And even with this setup, so even if we see some pullback, even with this setup, with this push to the upside, we could go flying, guys. We could go absolutely flying on Monday, guys. This is extremely exciting. Bollinger Bands are extremely tight right now. This is the pressure cooker. This is the pressure cooker that I'm telling you guys has been building. This is it. This is the pressure cooker I've been telling you guys have been building. You see the Bollinger Bands here on the 4-hour time frame getting extremely tight. All right, we're breaking 450. We're breaking 550 now. We're breaking 550, guys. If we break $6, this could be it for AMC. This could be what we have all been waiting for. Okay, we're going. All right, guys. We're going. We're going, guys. All right. So let's give you guys some updates. We're doing this live on the video. This is not a live stream. Number one most cost to borrow stock. We have short interest at 28.80%. Shorts are going to be forced to cover if we get past that $8 to $12 golden. Guys, we're going to $6. We're going to $6, y'all. Okay, this could be it, guys. This could really be it. This could really be it. This could be really it. All right, so let me go ahead and wrap up this video so I can get this information out there and maybe possibly get on a live stream. This was not expected, but AMC is absolutely going crazy, 38% up in after hours. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm going to give you guys some things to look for, some price points to look for AMC to wrap this up. This could be it, guys. Hold on. This could be it. This could be it. All right. So again, price points to look for are the $8 to $12 mark. If we break $8 to $12, the squeeze is on. We're already at $6, so this could potentially be it. This could potentially be the move that we have all been waiting for. This is the pressure cooker that I've been telling you guys is building up. And this is what we have all been waiting for. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up and get this information out there. Let's go ahead and give you guys a little bit of information before we go. Do bear with me. This video is a little bit different than normal. Okay, so again, we're about to break $8. We're about to break $8. All right, we're at $7. AMC is squeezing. AMC is squeezing now. Okay, this is it. AMC is squeezing, y'all. If we break $8 to $12, it's not going to come back down. I'm telling you guys, if we break $8 to $12, it is not coming back down. AMC up 50% here in after hours. Oh, my God. Congratulations to all of you that made it to the short squeeze. I told you guys this was coming. I told you guys this was coming. I told you guys. I told you guys it was coming. I told you. I told you. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video and get this information out there. Congratulations to all apes who made it to the squeeze. This is it. Even if we see pullback, I'm telling you guys, this is it. This is the start. Congratulations to all of you that made it. I love each and every one of you. We're up almost 100% here in after hours. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
All right, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. Remember, check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.